Alright guys, so I've got a quick video here for you today. It won't be on camera because I want to record on my phone. Today what we're going to be doing is extracting the seats and carpets and everything in the Rav4 Prime. Now, what does extracting mean? Well, we're going to use our Bissell extractor, which I'll show you here in a second, to clean out. So we're going to wet and saturate the seats and the carpets and everything. The carpets that are still exposed, we have all-weather mats in the front, but in the cargo area, our dog does not like when there's a rubber mat in the car, so we just keep the carpeted mat back there. But anyway, what we're gonna do is spray these seats down with our Meguiar's Detailer Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. That's a mouthful. We're going to spray this on the seat, and then we're going to saturate the seat with this. Then with our extractor, what we're going to do is the extractor has a nozzle on it where you can actually spray water onto, from the extractor onto the seat. And then what the extractor is going to do is it's basically a wet vac. And so it's going to suck up all the cleaner and the water that we're going to put onto the seat. And that's going to lift out all the dirt and grime that has built up in these seats over the last, probably, it's been a while since we've done this. So it's been longer than I can remember. So, we're going to extract out all the dirt and grime and stuff in the seats and the carpets. It's going to be quite something. I hope you enjoy it. 'Cause this is always so much fun to see all the water is brown always, when you're done doing this kind of thing. So that should be fun. And this car is 3 years old. So this is kind of a birthday ritual, if you will, for the Rav4 Prime. And we're going to bring it back to its perfect, fresh, showroom clean kind of condition. So let me get the extractor and I will show you that. All right, guys, here is the extractor. By the way, I hope the wind is not too bothersome in the video, audio-wise. Here's the extractor. This is one of the many machines in the Little Green family by Bissell. And you've probably seen the mini greens. I'll put a picture of the one the classic version, because you've probably seen that. And I love these things. These are great. So what an extractor is you have a nozzle, and it's basically a glorified wet vac. So you can, using the nozzle, you can kind of basically suck up wet or dry messes. And these are, I think they're made because Bissell does everything around pets, but I think these are made primarily for cleaning up pet messes. So your dog, has an accident on the carpet or something like that, you can use this to clean up that mess. But they're also good for cars. They're actually great for cars because, you can bring this out, into your garage or into your driveway. And then it is basically a glorified wet vac. So you can spray cleaner on carpets, on upholstery if you have cloth like we do. And then you just suck it up basically with the nozzle. So I'm going to show you that. I'm not going to turn it on because this thing is loud, and the minute I turn it on, you'll probably not be able to hear me. But yeah, let's go ahead. So once we saturate carpets and upholstery with the Meguiar's cleaner that I was showing you just a minute ago, we will spray. Water comes out of the nozzle here. So we spray the cleaner, spray it with water, and then we kind of suck all that up with the extractor. And again, the stuff that comes out of this thing is just disgusting to say the least, but so satisfying. So let's go ahead and get started on that. One thing that we did do and that I recommend you do is you vacuum your carpets first, because if, like, our dog has been back here and so there was a lot of pet hair and things like that. So it looks like it may have already been cleaned, but that's just from vacuuming and stuff. There is still kind of some fur that didn't get picked up with the vacuum, but that's okay because this guy will get it out as well. So yeah, we're gonna start on the passenger seat, I think. Then we'll come back here and we'll do the driver's seat. And we just do that because of the cord. It's easier to kind of start in one place and then kind of come around the car and all that kind of thing. You do it however you want, but that's what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, here's the extractor, and as you can probably tell, it is quite loud, so for this part of the video, I'm doing a voiceover. What you're seeing here is the extractor at work extracting all of the liquid from the seat, and again, this is the Meguiar's cleaner, as well as the water that we sprayed onto the seat to activate that cleaner. And what you're seeing here is, again, all of that getting sucked out of the seat, and the cleaner and the water together basically loosen up all the sweat and the dirt and the grime that's built up in the seat over, since we last did this. And the extractor is pulling all of that out. And you might think that fully saturating your seat and wetting it is bad for it, but actually, because we're extracting it out and we're not letting the water just sit in there, the extractor has enough power to actually go in and suck all of that out that we just put in. And again, as it does that, it's lifting out all the dirt and grime as well. And here we are moving on to the cargo area, and as you can see, we're doing exactly the same thing. We treated this mat, the carpeted floor mat, and the carpet underneath exactly the same way. Sprayed it down with the Meguiar's spray, covered that with water, let it sit there for a bit, and now we're coming through and extracting. And you can actually see, even though we did vacuum this ahead of time, there is still a lot of fuzz and fur from our dog that is getting picked up and taken out by the extractor that the vacuum alone didn't pick up. As you go through here, again, we're going to go both ways. This is a little bit easier to do because the carpeted floor mat and carpet in the interior is completely flat. So we're going to go across both ways and just work this until we feel like the vacuum has gotten out all the dirt and grime, all the liquid, and anything else in there. And here's the result. You think your car is clean until, especially in the back with suitcases and dogs and stuff like that, until you go and clean, you actually extract all of what's in the seat. And it's just as bad. If you have carpet in your house and you've never shampooed your carpet, I highly urge you to do so, because the stuff that comes out of it, you will be ripping that carpet out to put hardwood in. Can almost guarantee you of that. And same thing goes with your car, because that is not the business. But that's why we do this, and we get all this stuff out. And the nice thing is, this machine makes it so easy. And that's why we have this and we love it. It's also amazing too, when you're done doing that, how much fresher your car smells, even if it didn't smell, particularly bad in any way before. Just the way that, really freshening and cleaning your upholstery and your carpets and everything, it makes just such a world of difference in the car to not have all that in the seats, in the carpets, and all that kind of thing. It's just amazing. And, now, again, I can have a clean, fresh car to drive to work this week. And stick around, because this Rav4 Prime is now 3 years old, and I have a whole video coming up on, kind of thoughts and experience 3 years in with this Rav4 Prime. And part of the reason that we are going to keep this car and we love it so much is that because we keep it so clean, although that water may contradict that statement, but we try to keep it as clean as we can. We go through and we extract and clean out, the upholstery and the carpets. In every other respect, this car still feels very new. And here is the floor mat in the trunk. It has had a chance to dry. And what's amazing about this, and the reason I don't actually mind our dog, sitting back here on the carpet, is because we know how to clean the carpet when it gets dirty. And the most amazing thing, once you're done, cleaning and extracting the carpet, is just how soft it comes out when it's done. And this is, Toyota's materials have been getting cheaper and cheaper over the years. So this is not nearly as high quality as the carpets in my GX or anything like that. But even this, the way it comes out, so clean, so, soft, supple, because again, the citrus cleaner extracted out a lot of the dirt or loosened and, kind of made the carpet kind of let go of a lot of that dirt, and then coming through with water and the extractor kind of just pulled it all up. The carpet in here is so clean and so fresh and smells so good now as well. And even the little embroidered Rav4 badge here, it's back to being, the stitching now has that same kind of white pearlescent shine that it does when it's new. And that is the magic of this extractor, and why we make a point of doing this, especially because this car has a cloth, you know, upholstered interior, and we don't have a mat here in the back. That's why we do it, because, you know, again, we can get it back to looking showroom fresh and clean, and keep this car, you know, as clean as we possibly can for however long it'll run. I mean, I genuinely hope to God to have this car for at least 15 or 20 years. And if I can keep it, you know, in this kind of condition, you know, after 3 years, I hope it looks this good after, you know, 5 to 10 years and even beyond. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of quick. I know you didn't really see me here, but that's okay. This guy really was the star of the show anyway. So, have a great one, you guys. I will see you in the next one, and from the Rav4 Prime to you all, Happy New Year, and take care.